Good morning, students. Today we are going to fill the chapter number 59 of your book, GK book. Okay, chapter number 59. It is about the United Nations, and the United Nations is an intergovernmental organization aiming to maintain international peace and security, development, peace and security, and it also develop the friendly relations among the nations. And it is the world's largest and the most familiar international organizations. And the United Nations is formed after the Second World War to maintain and foster international peace and cooperation. It encourages international peace and cooperation. So here you have to take the correct answer. First one here, when did the United Nations come into existence? Now you have to tell the year in which United Nations came into existence. It is not here come, it is came into existence. Now when it came in 24 October 1945. So you will take here. Second one, how many members were in the United Nations in the beginning? यानी स्टार्टिंग में जो यूनाइटेड नेशंस के मेंबर्स कितने थे? It is 51. So you will take here. Third one, where the headquarters of the United Nations located? Now the headquarters you have to tell it here. So it is in New York. B number. Fourth, when is United Nations Day celebrated? United Nations Day celebrated on 24th October. So you will mark it here. Fifth number, how many members are there in the Security Council? Security Council में कितने members हैं? There are 15 members. A. Sixth number, who was the first Secretary General of the UN? यानी फर्स्ट सेक्रेटरी जनरल यूएन का यानी यूनाइटेड नेशन का कौन था? Yes, Tarek Halwa Dan Lai. So you will mark it here. Tarek Halwa Dan Lai. Seventh number, when did India join the United Nations? इंडिया ने कब यूनाइटेड नेशन को ज्वाइन किया था? In 1945. Eighth number, who is the present Secretary General of the UN? You have to mention it here. Who is the present Secretary General of the UN? That is Ban Ki-moon. So here C number. Ninth number, when was the United Nations Development Fund for Women established? It was the year 1976. 10th number, where was the International Telecommunication Union founded in 1865? It is founded in the Paris. Now we will move on to the B number, that is the match the following specialized agencies of the United Nations with what they do. The first one here, it is the United Nations Children's Fund, that is the UNICEF. UNICEF, the agency, is among the most widespread and recognizable social welfare organizations in the world, and with the presence of 192 countries and territories. So which one it is? D. It works for the betterment of children all over the world. So we will write it down here, one number. Second one, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO. It is also a specialized agency of the United Nations aimed at promoting world peace and security through international cooperation in education, the arts, the sciences and culture. So it helps nations in education, science and culture. 2A. Third one, Food and Agricultural Organization or Agriculture Organization, FAO. It is also a specialized agency of the United Nations that leads international efforts to defeat hunger and improve nutrition and food security. So it helps to increase the production of food worldwide. Third number. Fourth, it is International Labour Organization. It is an agency which is advance social and economic justice through setting international labor standards. So the fourth one, it is B number. It aimed is to improve the working and living conditions of the laboring class. So fourth here it is. Fifth, World Health Organization. It is also a specialized agency of the United Nations responsible for international public health. The WHO Constitution states its main objective as the attainment of by all the people of the highest possible level of health. Its motive is to improve the health of the people of the world. Fifth number. Next we are going to move on to the chapter number 20, not 20, it is 60. Chapter number 60, it is World Superlatives. As you all know that it's among the outstanding ones. So here some of the clues are given here. You have to take the help of this and you have to fill this. First one here it is, the busiest airport is. सबसे जो busy रहता है जो airport, that name you have to mention it here, and the name is O Hare International Airport. O Hare, H-A-R-E, Hare International, I-N-T-E-R-N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L, International Airport, A-I-R-P-O-R-T, International Airport. Second one, you all know this, the largest delta is, which is the largest delta? Yes, Sundarbans. S-U-N-D-E-R-B-A-N-S, Sundarbans. Third number, the tallest fountain is, सबसे tallest fountain क्या है? Fountain Hills. F-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, Fountain Hills, H-I-L-L-S, Hills, Fountain Hills. Fourth one, the largest island is, and you have to, it has been renamed as Kaldelt Nornath, isn't it? So which is it is? It is Greenland. Largest island, it is the Greenland. G-R-E-E-N, Green, L-A-N-D, Greenland. Fifth number it is, the rainiest place is, मेघालय में जो है, that is, name it is Mawsynram, M-A-W-S-Y-N-R-A-M. Sixth, you all are familiar with this, the longest river is Nile, N-I-L-E, Nile. Seventh number, the most populous country is, which one it is? China, C-H-I-N-A, China. Eighth number, the tallest statue is, which is in Japan, in Tokyo. In Tokyo, in Japan it is, the tallest one, it is bronze statue of Buddha. So we will write it down here, B-R-O-N-Z-E, bronze statue, Statue, statue of Buddha, B-U-D-D-H-A, Buddha, tallest statue which is in Tokyo in Japan. Ninth number, the largest stadium is, which one is the largest stadium? Satrahor Stadium, that is S-T-R-A-H-O-R, Satrahor Stadium, S-T-A-D-I-U-M. Next, 10th number, the hottest place is, which is in Libya. We have to mention it here, which is it is the place name Al-Aziyah, A-L-A-Z-I-Z-I-Y-A-H. 11th number, the largest palace is, which is in Beijing. Largest palace आपको बताना है, that is Imperial Palace. IMPERIAL PALACE Imperial Palace. 12th number, the tallest star is CN tower, that is in Toronto. CN tower, TOWER, CN tower. 13th number, the smallest country is, सबसे छोटा country कौन है? Vatican City, VATICAN, Vatican City, CITY, Vatican City. 14th number, the deepest valley is, सबसे deepest valley कौन सा है? That is between the Dhalolgiri and Annapurna ranges of the Himalayas within the boundaries of Nepal. It is Kali Gandaki Valley. KALI Kali, GANDAKI VALLEY, Kali Gandaki Valley. Next, it is the 15th number. The highest waterfalls are, which is in Venezuela, that is Salto Angel Falls, SALTOANGEL, Angel Falls, FALLS, Angel Falls. 16th number, the largest sea is, कौन सा sea है? South China Sea. So we will write it down here, South China Sea, SEA, South China Sea. 17th number, the largest freshwater lake is, you all are familiar with this, that is Lake Superior, LAKE, Lake Superior, SUPERIOR, Lake Superior. 18th number, that is the largest desert is, as you all know, it is Sahara, SAHARA, Sahara Desert is the largest desert. 19th number, the largest estuary is, which is in north of Russia, OB. 20th, the largest gulf is Gulf of Mexico. So we will write it down here, GULF, Gulf of Mexico, MEXICO, Gulf of Mexico. As you all know, the longest day of the year is the 21st June and the shortest day is 22nd December. Now we are going to move on to the chapter number 65. Now we are going to fill the chapter number 65. It is related with the cricket quiz. So here some of the options are given to you. Accordingly, you have to fill it here. First one here in this, which team won the first World Cup held in 1975? That team was West Indies. So you will tick here. Second one, for which country does Shane Bond play? Shane Bond जो हैं वो किस country के लिए play करते हैं? That country name is New Zealand. Third, which country was banned from Test cricket between 1970 and 1991 because of its policy of apartheid? Which one it is? South Africa. Fourth number, which Indian batsman scored the highest number of Test double centuries? You all are familiar with this, Rahul Dravid. Fifth number, which of these countries has never won the World Cup? इनमें से ऐसी कौन सी कंट्री से जो कभी भी वर्ल्ड कप नहीं जीता है? इंग्लैंड. What does Mohammad Yusuf specialized in? ये किस में स्पेशलाइजेशन इन्हें है? That is in batting. 7. Which country did Sir Richard Handley play for? किस कंट्री के लिए जो सर रिचर्ड हैंडली हैं वो प्ले करते हैं? न्यूजीलैंड. 8th number, which of these countries plays Ashes with England? Which country it is? Australia. 9th number, to whom is the silly point closer to? It is wicket keeper. 10th, who is the only player to have hit 6 sixes in an over in a one-day international? Who is that? Herschel Gibbs. So what you have to do is you have to fill and you have to write down in your class or copy the chapter number 60, 65 and 59. That is 59, 60 and 65. You have to fill it in your book as well as you have to learn it, and you have to write down in your class or copy as well. So that's all for today. Thank you.